Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying audio formats and aligning clips in a new sequence. This prevents drift later. Import camera and external recorder files, place each on its own track, and disable auto magnet snapping so you can nudge precisely. Once placed, use waveform view to find a clear transient, clap, slate, or loud consonant. Make a single rough alignment by matching that transient visually, then play back a short section to confirm rough sync before moving to precise adjustments. Once you have rough alignment, zoom in and match waveform peaks to frame-level accuracy. You want peaks to line up within one frame. Use the Merge Clips command when timecode or slate is available. Otherwise, select both clips and nudge the external audio with keyboard shortcuts for microscopic moves. Make sure to audition with both audio channels active so phase issues are obvious. If background noise hides transients, apply a quick high pass or spotlight the transient with clip gain automation. To finish, disable or mute the camera's onboard audio and keep the cleaner external track. If needed, relink media or create a merged clip for tidy editing. Render a representative 10-30-second section to confirm no audible drift. If you do hear drift or phase wobble, make sure both files share the same sample rate and frame rate. Resample or conform the offending file in Audition or Media Encoder, then re-import and repeat the alignment. One quick troubleshooting tip. Small continuous drift usually means sample rate mismatch, not hand timing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.